This is the Mathematics GCSE Unit 1, so non-calculator foundation tier. This is in November 2017. Question 1. Each of these circles has its centre marked with a dot. Draw a diameter of this circle. So the diameter looks like this. It goes through the centre from one end to the other end of the circle. You can also have the diameter going this way or any way through the circle at all, as long as it goes through the centre from edge to edge. So that there is 1 mark. Draw a tangent to this circle, part B. The tangent touches the outside of the circle. It's a straight line. Again, that can be positioned anyway. So we try and remember that by saying it doesn't like to get tangled up in the middle of the circle. It's the only one that stays on the outside. And that gives you 1 mark. So there are a few that you need to remember, a few circle parts. So we have the blue circle here, which are the most common ones you need to know. And that's the circumference, that is basically the perimeter of the circle all the way around the edge. The diameter from one end to the other going straight through the centre. And the radius from the centre to any edge of the circle. So the radius could be here, could be here, could be there. The diameter, you'll notice, is exactly double the radius, or the other way round, the radius is exactly half of the diameter. This red circle here are the more uncommon ones, but do come up on the foundation paper, normally as multiple choice questions. So we've already had this one here as a tangent where you had to draw it. So it touches the outside of the circle. It doesn't like to get tangled up on the inside with all of these. The chord goes from one point in the circle to the other, but it doesn't pass through the centre. So that is a line there called the chord. The segment here is this blue section. So that's the bit of the circle that the chord cuts off. It's called the segment. And then the other one is the sector here, and that runs from a radius. So that's more like a pizza slice. Okay? So this tangent was 1 mark.